Hey everyone, Ron Milligan with RE/MAX Select here. Got the latest weekly numbers from the Portland metro area for housing, and these are statistics drawn from the greater Portland metro area, both Oregon and Washington side. There's a couple things that are kind of interesting. One is that the sales have ticked up, so the number of closed sales have ticked up over the last 3 weeks. Not super surprising, just because the beginning of July was a quieter week with a lot of pent-up travel demand, so we didn't have a lot of activity then. I suspect that we might feel a little bit of the rubber band effect from those 2 weeks in the next couple of weeks. We probably won't have a ton of closings during those couple of weeks, just because of when contracts weren't written during that first week in July. The number of active listings is down for the first time, very, very slightly, but down for the first time in quite some time. It was 3427 versus 3446 the previous week. And that 3446 was kind of a big jump from the week before. However, on the other side, the number of pending deals that went under contract last week was pretty strong. It was 1,074. The week before was 1,049. And 1,101 the week before that. And those are all weeks following a couple of really small, really low numbers during the 4th of July week and the week leading up to the 4th of July. So I was thinking maybe the first week or two we might see, again, some rubber band effect from offers that didn't get written during those 2 weeks, and maybe all of a sudden they get written the following couple of weeks after that. But it seems to be maintaining, at least for now, so we'll keep an eye on that number. Average days on market was 17. That was up 2 days from the previous week, and median days on market is still 5. It's the same as it was before. Average sale price this last week was $595,000, and the average sale price the same week from last year was $511,000. But don't put too much into those, just because they're real small samples and of numbers. We like to look at months and months, compare months and months of time from one year to the next year to let us know the difference between the average sale prices. Right now, the average sale price for the latest complete month of statistics we have, comparing 2020 to 2021, is just shy of 20% increase. And then last couple of things, average sale price versus the asking price just dipped below 103%. It's 102.93%. So that's a number that says to us that what we already know, which is that we're having fewer buyers for each property that hits the market. Buyers aren't having to go quite as high to win the property in that bidding process. So there's some tempering going on there. So as I always say, all real estate is local. If you're curious about what's going on in your neck of the woods or on a different segment of the market, condominiums, townhouses, any sort of planned community, let me know. I'm happy to get you the numbers. All right, we'll see you in a week.